Help! This Talus soldier will kill me! I was heading out to Sapphire Basin when this damn Talus soldier spotted me and dragged me in here. He says he's going to kill me. Please do something. Please help me. You saved me again. I don't know how to thank you. If you only knew what these Talus scum had done to my village. He knew he was outmatched and couldn't fight his way out. Those Talus thugs will say anything to save their skins. They like to act tough with their army, but you get one of them alone and they're cowards. What? Oh, damn, I'm going to be late. I'm sorry, but I'll tell you later. I promise. Thank you.
Hey, who are you? You can't just barge in here. Can't you see these people need rest? You have the Skyhaven badge. I am at your command. The Red Guard. I'm hardly a doctor, but her injuries are pretty severe. I'm trying to keep her comfortable, but there's little more I can do. Now, could you tell me why there is a dead Talus soldier in here? A Brightstone Lin? He must be Mayor Taewo's delegate. If the Talus had taken him into custody, thank goodness you were able to save him. At least one thing went right today. But this Red Guard? She needs a doctor, and fast. Unfortunately, our only doctor has been kidnapped by the Black Ram. Han Yun-Soo was our only doctor. I doubt that the Black Ram knew he was a member of Skyhaven, but whatever their reason, they abducted him. We need Han Yun-Soo here. The Skyhaven Resistance has someone on the inside. I've tried to meet with him, but the Black Ram keep changing his shifts. If you can get your hands on the right schedule, we could find the right time to contact him and learn how to save the doctor. You have the schedule. Good. Let me see it. I don't see his name listed for any shifts. Damn, I thought this might happen.
There is another option. We have a second contact, a pirate, who's looked the other way for us before. Only, I don't see his name here either. You know, something isn't right about that Talus soldier. Why was he more concerned with Ilsum than a uniformed Red Guard?
Yeah, you're probably right. No matter, back to the point. If Bumbok is no longer a guard, he's probably hanging around Wayfarer's Wharf. He's always loved fishing. Maybe he found a job doing that? Yes. Why? Do you know him? That may make things easier. You see, even though he works for the Black Ram, he was never truly one of them. If you give him enough coin, he'll talk. If he wants money, give him what he wants. If you can't bargain with the man, well, I'll leave it up to you to do what you feel is necessary. But we need him to lead us to Dr. Han Yunsu. Listen, just do what you can to find the doctor, and quickly. This Red Guard needs our help.